How to use copy and paste on a Chromebook, Android Central. It should come as no surprise that as time has passed everyone by. Chromebooks have progressed and become true productivity machines. And while these devices give us a lot of functionality that you won't find elsewhere, you'll likely want to know how to do some of the more basic tasks. One such task that is performed a plethora of times per day is to simply copy and paste text or other items from one place to another. Here's how you can do so right from your Chromebook. Using the touchscreen on your Chromebook can be a bit finicky from time to time. For example, we have accidentally triggered the copy-paste menu without selecting all of the text that we were trying to. So if that's the case, you might want to use a stylus or switch to the keyboard on your Chromebook. Keyboard shortcuts are a real lifesaver. Regardless of whether you're using a Chromebook or something like a Windows PC or Mac. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V are likely the two keyboard combinations you'll find yourself using on a daily basis. If on a document or web page, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This can also be done by dragging your cursor from the top of the page to the bottom and pressing Ctrl+C. Being able to copy and paste an entire document or web page can really come in handy. Especially if you need to move a boatload of text from one app to another. Let copy and paste become your ally. And you'll get work done so much faster than before. The Lenovo C340 sports a 2-in-1 convertible design. Is ultra lightweight. And is perfect for getting some work done or sitting back and relaxing. There's a lot to look forward to with Android 11. But when will your phone actually get it? Here's everything we know. Samsung's new bean-shaped Galaxy Buds Live wireless earbuds have scored 8/10 on iFixit's repairability scale. Thanks to an easy opening procedure and easily replaceable batteries. There are so many great Android phones to buy. So it can be tough to know which one to buy. These are the best of the best at each price point. If you are a frequent traveler and want a way to keep your Chromebook protected, then you are in luck. We have found and compiled a list of the best backpacks that you can get for your Chromebook in 2020. No spam. We promise. You can unsubscribe at any time and we'll never share your details without your permission. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.